I'm going to show you guys how to make a really delicious peach smoothie using the Happy Way and Lorna Jane Beauty Dust. Now, in this recipe, it's very basic. All you need is the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. I've got 1 banana. I'm using some frozen strawberries in this one. You can also use fresh. I've got some flax seeds in there. Of course, 1 beauty dust. And then I'm using almond milk for my milk of choice. So you just chuck it in your blender, blend it until it's really nice and smooth and creamy.